And now what we're gonna show you is the strength. And this is really what separates Gorilla Grow Tent from all the other competitors that you can see online. It's really important to have a strong structure when you're hanging things such as heavy LED grow lights, carbon filters, and all the other equipment that goes into growing off the top of one of these tents. It is critical that it can hold all that weight. So I'm gonna show you the amount of weight a Gorilla Grow Tent can hold versus our main competitors. So I'm about 170 pounds, and so I'm gonna hang off the roof of our grow tent, and then I'm gonna hang off the roof of their grow tent. As you can see, easily holds all my weight and then some. I'm a little bit nervous about this. So first of all, I have to bend down to even get inside this tent, so you can see the size difference. I don't have two crossbars to hold on to like I do in our tent. So I guess maybe I'll just hang from these. I kind of figured that was gonna happen. This corner completely broke off, and well, all the poles bent. And just for a fair comparison, I did not have the same holding points that I did in our tent, since we have two cross poles in ours. So I'm gonna grab this Gorilla Grow tent from the same place that I just grabbed that tent, which is the two outside poles. And as you can see, holds me just fine. So there you have it. We have clearly laid out the differences between our Gorilla Grow tents and all of our online competitors, and you can clearly see the advantages to growing in something like a Gorilla Grow tent that is worth every dollar that you put into it. This is what you're gonna get if you try to spend the money on something cheaper. You're gonna get something that fails, and your grows are gonna fail as a result. Buy something that's worth the money, buy a Gorilla Grow tent.